All right, so you remember when I bought this China-made, fake BenchMade mini bug out, $15 delivered from China. I got it sharp now. It took me a little while. Nothing to it. Let's go straight down. That's the full-size bug out. You're looking at this going, wow, it's a nice looking box. It is. Wrapped evenly all the way around on the inside. Same thing with the bottom. Little stickers, a little bag. It's $15. China, the son of a bitches. And if you know how to sharpen a knife, then you can get anything. You can get a butter knife sharp. I can whittle paper with this now. $15, China-made, bug out. It's got a decent spring to it. It's got a nice feel, lockup feels and looks good. It says S230, and nowhere's on here does it say China. But this came a little sharp on here. Little secret to get rid of that sharpness off the edges on cheap knives. Use your strop, or what I use is the back of a leather belt. Just rub it on there. It comes off rather easy, and it feels nice and good now. A lot of the YouTube clone reviews are talking about this right here, where if you squeeze the inside of this, the two sides meet. And I'm just trying my best, and I can't get it to go together. You know what I did? Absolutely nothing. Don't squeeze it. God damn, you fucking clones on YouTube. Y'all can't be original. Y'all copy everything every other YouTuber does on the knife channels. Don't squeeze there. It's a $15 knife. The pocket clip here. Deep carry, but it's not going to carry deep. I don't know how well this is going to show up, but these screws stick out so much. If and when you didn't see or know a real bug out, same thing on the mini. You have the identical clips. There's a little bit more radius here, and then it comes back down. It looks the same from right here, but looking at it like this, it's got more dugout on there. You're not going to get a deep carry on there. And then the other thing, which isn't a big deal at all, but can you notice it? Look at the two thumb screws. They're a shade off from each other, aren't they? I don't care. $15 delivered. Our government is subsidizing the Chinese shipping. For you and I, did you want to ship anything anywhere in the United States through the USPS, priority mail, package, whatever, it's like $8 now. It's ridiculous. But for a $15 knife, I like the shit out of this. I really do. There's a lot of ways you can tell the difference between a real and a fake. The finish on the blades here, you can see the grinding where they cut out the blades. And on the real BenchMade, it's a stone wash. That's the easiest giveaway right there, is the blade. I like a thin profile blade. I found that a thin profile becomes sliceier, dicier. It's easier for me to sharpen. $15 China-made bug out. China-made mini bug out. There's no break-in on these. Loosen up the screw until you got no play in it, and it drops about how you want it to. And put some red Loctite on there, and you're broke in. If you don't know how to sharpen a blade, learn. It's unique. There's no way I could pay $180 for this, which is BenchMade's price. Although you get a lifetime warranty and free forever sharpening. I know how to sharpen. I mean, I got chisels, I got screwdrivers, I got all kinds of things to pry with. This is a knife for cutting things, slicing, and I like my shit sharp. All right, man, I'm out of here. See ya.